We are here for a shore walk. We have a guide who is, kind of helping us understand which are the different species, and we are exploring the different species here. The learners are very enthusiastic and excited.
So we are here because we want to know and get to know like a lot of shells and sea creatures that live in the beach.
So we're using our iPads to take pictures of them, take videos of these creatures moving around, and then get an understanding of how they live. This is the armor to protect the crab, and it's called the three-spotted crab because if you can see over here, there are 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. And these are the spikes. In case any predator comes, it can poke them before it can reach them.
So I learned that every sea creature has a different habitat. They have a different way and a different style of living in the beach.
I think having this sort of technology integrated into a shore walk would be very useful, because the kids got to learn a lot while being on field, which is not necessarily something that you learn quite quickly. And yeah, I think this would be a great experience for them to go back home as well, and using this technology just to get to learn more about marine life, which is so close to our shores.
This learning experience is indeed very enriching. It's not confined to the 4 walls of the classroom. It takes the learners into the outdoors, into the real world. This is where the learning just goes beyond.